Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back to my channel. I'm still your master praise. Today's question is: what is the reciprocal of 3 whole number 1 over 3? Solution: the reciprocal of 3 whole number 1 over 3 is equals to 1 over 3 whole number 1 over 3. This is 1 dividing your value. 1 dividing your value, which is equals to, change this to improper fraction. We're going to have 1 divided by 10 over 3, which is equals to 1 over 1 times 3 over 10, which is equals to 1 times 3 will give you 3 over 1 times 10 will give you 10. Can you leave your answer like this? Yes. But you can still change it to decimal because this is over 10. Over 10, the same thing as taking this 0, putting at the front, which would be 0.3. Or you say 0.3. Answer, therefore, answer is 3 over 10 or 0.3. 3 over 10 or 0.3. Therefore, the reciprocal is the inverse of it. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Click, share, don't forget. Bye bye.